Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD 1.1 development version. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create a new document and create a new part. First we need to create this part feature. Okay, create new sketch. We first need to select XY plane. Then we create rectangle, center rectangle. And the rectangle we need at load corner. Load corners rectangle. Next we need make dimension. Here is 120. Radius 20 millimeter, and this 120. And from here we need to get 20 millimeter. So we need to add the full hole, the 10 millimeter, the hole. So add full circle. Then we need to select the full circle and the constraint equal. Next, make dimensions. The diameter 10 millimeter. Okay, we leave the sketch and we select part. The diameter is 25 millimeter length. 25 millimeter. Okay. And next we need to clean the cylinder. Radius 40. So create new sketch, and we need to select XZ plane. Oh, sorry. Delete the sketch. Select XZ plane and create a circle. Make dimension. Diameter 18 millimeter. Okay, leave the sketch and part. The length 80 millimeter. 80 millimeter, and the model we need to select symmetrical. Okay. Next we need to create a solid feature. So create new sketch and select XZ plane, and we need look the sketching view. Okay, create this. So right, make dimension from the center. Here is 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter. Okay, and the radius is 20 millimeter. And we need to add the whole 10 millimeter. So add a circle and diameter 10 millimeter. Okay, leave the sketch. Next we need to part the sketch, and the length is 15. The model symmetrical 30. Okay. Next we need to create this feature ribbon. So create new sketch, select XZ plane. Then we need external geometry, this point and this edge. So external geometry, this point and this edge. Next, toggle view sketch. Create a new sketch from this point to this line. Then we make dimension 8 degree to 25 millimeter. Okay, leave the sketch. Next, select part command 10 millimeter length. Command 10 millimeter length, and we need to select symmetrical. Okay, next we need to select this feature. Select this feature, selector, and mirror. Okay, good. Okay, the final feature is the hole and cut the half. So create new sketch and select XZ plane, view sketch. So create a circle and add a rectangle. Next, make dimension. This is here 25 radius and the diameter 50. Okay, width is big enough, it's okay, but we can symmetrical constraint and add the dimension. Next, we need to trim the sketch. So like this, here. Oh, sorry, the lost constraint, you see. So we need to select the point and this line. Consider the constraint. Okay, the sketch is falling constraint. Leave the sketch. Next, pocket symmetrical, and the tab is through all. Okay, good. We finished the model. Next, we change the appearance. The color is green. Okay, we quickly finish the modeling. Thank you for watching. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.